Welcome back to the channel. Acres Lawn Care here. How you all doing? Oh, sun's in your eyes. Hope you're all doing well. So today we are in Chesham and we're about to just reduce a privet hedge down a little bit, just, you know, only like half a foot. So let me show you what we got. So here's the privet, what we got. 6 foot fence. We're just going to basically take it across all the way down. I'm going to try and do this by eye. Sometimes I'll run a sort of an orange builder's line just to sort of get my line and then just go above that, but there's not loads coming off it, so I'll see how good my eye is. Okay, let's do this.
Cup of tea. Good morning. Oh my god, it's me again.
Alright guys, so I had to go a little bit lower towards the end and then bring it back again because it's really dense but low down the bottom there. So I'm trying to get the angle right because I'm on a hill, so I don't know quite. Whoa, is it that way? But yeah, so it still has a slight angle to it, which is okay. But there's little bits here and there, there's tougher bits. It's really difficult to get it exactly dead level. So what I'll have to do is once it starts to sprout back again, I then have to go over it and get it more level with the lighter foliage. When you're trying to level, cutting quite hard with into the actual woody bits of it, sorry, should I say, it tends to be a little bit more difficult. So there are a few little imperfections there, but you know, once it sprouts again, we can level that off anyway. So, but there we go, guys. It's just a little bit lower than the fence. So if you come down here, just a tad lower than the fence, but I didn't want to go too, I couldn't really level it off too much without taking more of it away, and I didn't want to take too much off it. Anyway,